there's a private pool here. Ayan, ang ganda. I can show you because it's private. Here ang park. Happy birthday, Frances! Pet friendly. We'll show you our transaction. Our cottage. 500 for this cottage. Okay, wait. This one. 500. The first one. We'll go there later. Asan si Frances? Pet friendly. Say hi, Chloe. Birthday, friends. We give.
Wow!
Hamster.
Damit!
Ay, parang ayaw mo pa.
Tignan mo muna yung damit.
Tignan mo muna kasi. Ay, ganda. Wow.
Ayaw mo.
Oh, okay. Ah! Let's go, Piangter!
Paano?
Ano yan? Damit! Yay! Malungkot pa siya.
Sando pa lang siya.
Sando pala eh.
Bago pa naman sando.
Ang dami! Yay! Hindi na maglalaba every week. Oh, this one. Ay, ganda kaya. Oh! Wow! Bubble gun! Uy, wow! Oh. Yun oh.
Bubble gun. Meron pang
Gun.
isa.
Yay!
Kaya ka lang masaya.
Ayun oh. Oh, bubble gun. Oh, lagay mo na.
Bubble gun.
Yay, open gifts.
Paso.
Ay, di ba ba?
Sige, pinggan.
What's that?
Yung matanda nagkakapirsit ng gano'n.
Wow!
Pumpkin.
Wow, thank you!
Favorite na yan
Daddy, regalo sa kanya. Thank you!
Regalo ganyan ako wala. Uy.
Uy, natatapas. Akala ko natatapas.
Bepan.
Oh, pindot mo. Batayaw. At ganon.
Dahil lang sir. Naku, palyado ata.
Here, our cottage is for 500. So, the entrance fee sa mismong rave, sa park, pag papasok ka, walang bayad. But then, dito sa pool, 100 for adults na taga-Pasig. You should present your ID. And 150 pag hindi taga-Pasig na adult. And then, pag ano ka, pag senior or PWD, this 80 pesos. Okay. We'll show you the breakdown later. I'll just show you the pool. So, yung una kanina yung pool. O yung may parang playground something. And this is the other pool. So, may mga lifeguards naman dito na nakakasama. Yan. So, actually, we're here on a Sunday. June 2025. Sunday. So, hindi pa siya masyadong matao. Around 10:21. Okay, 10:21 na. So, here. This is the other pool. With the slides. And I'm not really sure kung binubuksan pa yung slide. Ayan. We'll find out later. Ayan, ganyan po siya kalawak. At meron pa palang isa doon. Okay? I'll show you later that. Sige, ikot tayo. Ikot tayo. Likutin natin ng forest water park. So, actually, yung ito, Ito yung mga cottages. Ayan yung 500. Ayan, pakita ko din later yung breakdown sa mga tables and chairs. Rental. So, apparently, may picture okay. Okay. So, here. Ayan. So, ito yung under na slide. And then, may restricted. There's a restricted area here. Pero you can see may toilets din dito. Okay. So, may restricted area na po. I don't know what's this for. Pero, meron din slide na attached to this pool. So, naiya ako magtanong, guys. So, ito. So, umikot lang ako from alam niyo, parang 10 years ago, wala pa to. So, meron na ngayon mas cute version ng kiddie pool. Okay? Here. So, more cottages around the pool areas. So, maganda din siya. Ito yung luma. Ito kiddie pool. Up close. Ito yung video okay. Yan. So,
Lo, hindi ko kabisado pa ako eh.
Lo! So,
Mag-uwisan ako.
so ito may lap, ano to, lap pool, Olympic pool. Tapos dati, gumagana siya ngayon hindi na. So, meron namang stores here. Ayan. So, may canteen there. Ay, sorry, mali yung zoom. Ayan, okay. Canteen, canteen.
Camping sa
Canteen.
cold soft drinks available.
Ito. Meron din sila sa loob. Hello, Bloom. Hi, Bloom. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Wish! Wish ka muna! Wish!
Dikit ka na. Happy, happy. Sana madami akong kumaka.
Ba yan? Yay! Pasok! Let me show you guys. Apparently, there's a private pool here. So, we didn't know about it. Here, can you see that? Ay, ayan. So, may private pool pala siya. We will ask of the rates. So, for now, di pa namin alam. Frances! Is the other kid. Let me show you this one. Close. Ayan. So, meron pa dito private.